What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, y'all, let's just hop right into it because I was sent the straightener steam styler to review for y'all today. We will be straightening my hair. Okay guys, so first and foremost, sorry if you can hear my fan in the background. I am so hot. It's like 90 degrees in Philadelphia today and I don't have an air conditioner, so this fan has to stay on so you don't see sweat dripping from my face. But yes, let's get into this, y'all. I was sent the hairstyler. This is the straightener steam styler. I will show it to you. Now, you guys know the traditional straighteners normally use ceramic or titanium plates to heat up at a very high temperature, and it's really dangerous for your hair. So with this new modern day technology, they were able to design a straightener that solely uses the power of steam to get your hair straight. So their comb uses steam technology derived from the water in the chamber that delivers heat instead of titanium plates being heated up and pressed directly onto your hair. I do have the straightener steam styler right here. I am going to go ahead and turn it on. It looks like this is the chamber for the water compartment. It did come with a little eye drop applicator bottle thing, so I went ahead and filled this up with water already. So we're going to pour the water into the chamber compartment where the water is supposed to be held, and we're going to turn it on and see what happens. So it looks like there's two buttons down here. There's an on off button and there's also a steam button, and in the back there's a lock button. I guess that's when you're like not using it and you just want to have it locked. Too cute. Like, this is very techie, guys. I'm not a really techie person. I don't think any steam is going to be coming out of the teeth of the straightener. I think it's just going to be coming out of this compartment right here, shooting out, and then you can straighten your hair like so. So let's go ahead and see if my theory is correct. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in, and we'll put the water in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to let it heat up, and we're going to get started. Alright, y'all. So I do have the steamer. I guess it's heating up or it's working. It only does this when it's locked. So, and then it like randomly stops. I'm going to go ahead and just put one half of my head up and out the way so we can break this down into sections. Now I'm going to take this and break it into a front and a back. And now we're going to separate out a nice sized chunk to start with. And we're going to get started with this section right here. The first thing I'm going to do is just brush it with my Felicia Leatherwood so it's not snagging on the steamer. It like does what it wants to do. Sometimes it gives me a little bit of steam, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know if that's supposed to happen, but we're going to unlock it and open it and just kind of go for it. Now I have this again on 215. The highest it can go is 230. Okay, it definitely did get it straight, but it's not bone straight, so I'm gonna turn it up to 230. All right, so this is the highest it can go. Okay, I can hear it like sizzle. I'm not gonna keep going over it too many times, but it's not getting it bone straight, but it is straight and it is soft, very soft. All right, so let's keep going and see what we can work with. I love working in small sections because it's just, you can stay a little bit more organized and see what you're doing. I'm curious how long this is going to take me to do. There's the steam. The teeth get hot too. Like, the plates and the teeth get hot, but it also has like an additional steamer to it. Now don't touch this part, it's hot. It definitely is straight, y'all. It is straight. It's not bone straight, but it's straight. It's straighter than what that blow dryer did. Now the question is, how long is this gonna last in the heat? It really does feel like a regular straightener. I like that it has the steam to it. I feel like it's certainly helping. The steam only comes when you close your hair.
You better go take it. Always they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Alright guys, so I'm done my hair. Both sides are completed. It did take roughly an hour for me to get done, but I'm finally finished. I do have it right here. I did go ahead and turn it off simply by holding the off button. And I really enjoyed it, even though my hair isn't bone straight and it looks more blown out than straight, but you guys seen the before and after from me actually trying to blow out my hair. So I think it did all around a good job. I'm happy with it. I would certainly use it again, especially if I'm going on like a special occasion where I want my hair just a little bit straighter, but straighter than a blow dryer. I really like the innovative technology that they put into this product, or into this tool. With this steam, it was able to open up my cuticles, so I just feel like my hair is so soft. I'm all around happy, y'all. My hair has gotten so long. Like, I'm gonna turn around for y'all so y'all can see what's going on. My hair is all the way down here. My hair is all the way down here. Like, it's all the way to like my butt almost. Yeah, so my hair is down my back. I'm happy. I'm satisfied. I'm happy my hair is growing. I gotta turn this fan back on. I can't even be without the fan for like a second. The steamer did me right. I think I can do like a nice cute style with this, even though it does feel like it's blown out more so than straight. I'm still happy. At the highest temperature you would get like a bone straight style. I didn't achieve that. I know my hair is just a little thick, but it's okay. I'm still happy that it's pretty straight, but it does look a little blown out instead of straight. I'm not gonna lie, but it's still a cute vibe. So don't be mad. I definitely would recommend that you guys try it, especially if you are looking to straighten your hair but not have the harsh effects of getting a regular straightener or original straightener with the metal plates on them. You could try this. There's steam in here, there's heat in here, and everything just works perfectly. It did take me a while to figure out how to work it. Hopefully I did it right, but overall I'm really satisfied. Comment below if you guys have heard of this before, if you guys are going to try it out for yourselves, if you use a steamer straightener before, before, let me know, because this was my first time experiencing it, and I had such a blast. And now this kind of like encouraged me to go to the Dominicans. I'll probably head it there in the fall or the spring after the heat calms down. I'm probably going to take a trip out to the Dominicans to get my hair straightened. Normally I go once a year, but y'all, I have not like traditionally flat ironed my hair since 2018, so I'm due for a salon visit. I'll have all the information on the straightener steam styler in my description below if you guys want to check it out, including their Instagram and their website. I think it's definitely a great product to have in your natural hair stash if you just want something that's a little bit different of a vibe. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's content, and if you did, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, you can hit the bell and like and share this video so more people can find about tools just like these. Guys, without further ado, I am going to let you guys go. I really hope that you enjoyed from start to finish how I use the straightener steam styler. But guys, my name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Deuces.